all the little children out there. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine. Now today we are going to do a very nice and interesting math activity. This math activity is called the big triangle. This big triangle I had learned when I had gone for a special class, and it was really interesting, and it made us think a lot like how we are going to do this. So we were really taken up by this game that we had done, and so I thought maybe you all also will enjoy doing this wonderful math activity. It is really fun, children, so I hope you all do it. To make this math activity, we need 9 such triangles. Yes, 9 such triangles, children. And you know, triangles have to be of the same size. So, for that, first of all, need a piece of paper, yeah, and you need a scale. Now you need to put all your measurements to practice out here, because you need to draw a lovely triangle, and a triangle has to be of the same size on all 3 sides. So I'm making a triangle of about 10 centimeters, and I'm going to mark the middle of it, the half of this line, which is a 5 centimeter. Yes, like this. Yeah. Once you have done this, you're also going to mark from the middle to the top, so that you know that you have to draw your lines. It doesn't come crooked. Yeah, looking. Now let's draw the other 2 lines to join the triangles. Yes, a triangle has 3 sides to it, children. We all know that. Yes, look, I have drawn my triangle, and I have to make 9 such triangles. Okay, so once you have done this, you have to cut it out. Once you cut it out, you're going to get something like this. Yes, now once you have got a triangle, what you have to do is, somewhere in the middle, just take a middle point. Yeah, you don't have to be perfect, children. It can be anywhere where you think is the middle. Yeah, something like this. Just draw a dot and draw 3 lines from the corner to that dot, like this. 1 line from all 3 corners. Yeah, second one, and the third one. So I have divided this triangle into 3 parts, 1, 2 and 3. Now what I'm going to do is, with the number combinations that I'm going to give you, you have to draw circles according to those numbers. You can also write numbers, children, but drawing circles is a little more challenging. Yeah, when you play this game with circles on it, it becomes a little more challenging. So I would like if you could do it with circles itself. I'm making just an example here for you. Okay, something like this. Okay, children, and once you have done this, you can also give color codes to them. Like suppose all the 4s on every triangle, wherever there is 4 circles, you can maybe make it green color. Maybe wherever there are 5 circles, you can make them yellow color. Wherever you find 3 circles, you can make it red color. It is your choice if you wish to give it a color code. Now once you are finished and through with it, this is how your triangles are going to look, and you have to make 9 such triangles. Now what you have to do, once you're finished, your game begins. You have to make a big triangle. Okay, now You have to make a big triangle, something like this, and for all can see there's one triangle on the top, 3 in the middle, and there are 5 triangles at the bottom. Now the game is that you have to make a 10. So if suppose you have 1 2 3 4 5 6, so you have to make sure you get a 4 over here so that this becomes a 10, right? So you have to look around and see where is the 4, and you have to make it a 10. That's right. Okay. So this has become a perfect 10. Yes, children. Now the same you have to do on this side. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So what makes 8 plus what makes 10? Exactly, 8 plus 2 makes 10. So you need to look and see where is 2, and you need to put it here. The similar way on this side you have to see, here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So what plus 9 equals to 10? That is 1. So we put 1 over here, and we will put this here. Now this is just an example of how you're going to do it. So all the inside corners, they all need to have a combination of 10. Okay, they have to add up to 10. You don't worry about the circles that are on the sides. It doesn't matter. They don't need to have a pair to it. But the ones on the inside, they all need to add up to 10. Yes, children. So this is how you're going to play your math activity. I hope you all do this because I had a lot of fun making this game and playing this game at the workshop that I had gone for. And it's a really challenging one. So you can challenge yourself, and you can challenge the people at home as well to play this game. And you can time yourself. Once you have understood how this game has to be played, you can time yourself and further challenge yourself. So I hope you all make this game and have fun, and take care. Till the next time, we'll meet up. Bye bye.